Hey everybody, time for my first YouTube video. I'm going to break a blaster box of 2010 Topps Prime Football. There we go. See, it looks like 8 packs per box, well, blaster box. Okay. Sidney Rice, LaDainian Tomlinson, Devin Hester, Earl Thomas, Seahawks. Steve Smith, Giants, Michael Turner. Let's see. Earliest bin. Insert. Jimmy Clausen rookie. Marcus Ware, Toby Gerhart rookie. Oh, sick. I don't know if you can see that, but anyways, it's numbered 107 of 1379. Let's see. And Mike Williams rookie for Tampa Bay Bucks. There he is, Brett Favre. Nice. Kenny Britt. Andre Johnson. Michael Crabtree. Base. Reggie Bush, Larry Fitzgerald. Oh, nice. Mike Kafka Jersey, numbered, if you can see it, but it's 303 of 420. It's pretty sick. And Demaryius Thomas, Joe Webb, he had a good game. Golden Tate, Seahawks. 3 more packs to go. D'Angelo Williams, Cutler, Mendenhall, Ronnie Brown, Andre Roberts, rookie. Jersey's pretty cool. I think I would get one. Especially from Walmart Blaster. Matt Ryan, McNabb, Schaub, Meacham. Des Bryant rookie, sick. Don't have one of those. Last pack. Tony Romo, Beeson, LaShawn McCoy, Revis, Island, Tom Brady. Oh, nice. Brady is numbered 8. Looks like 1688 or 1888 to 30. It's good. 1088 of 1579 numbered. And that's it. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Peace.